Light is a form of energy that enables us to see all the things around us. Sources of lights. The main source of light on the earth is sun. Other sources of light are candles, objects that give out light are known as luminous objects. Other objects that do not give out light are known as non-luminous object. For example, bag, table, moon. Transparent objects. Transparent objects are objects that allow light to pass through them. For example, glass, water, etc. Opaque objects. Opaque objects are objects that do not allow light to pass through them. For example, wood, stone, etc. Translucent objects. Translucent objects partially allow a light to pass through them. For example, plastic, butter paper, frosted glass, etc. Plants need sunlight to grow. If there is no sunlight, plants will die. Some animals like fireflies are also light sources. Glowworms are also a source of light. Prism is a special triangular piece of glass. When light is passed through prism, it is divided into 7 colors. Light is composed of 7 colors. When all the colors in sunlight are separated, they make a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, This is how a rainbow is formed. shadow is formed when an object is placed in the path of light. Natural sources of light. Artificial sources of light. Lamp, candles.